Okay, my honor students. I think part of my problem now is I've been sleeping and sitting around so much, I'm weak. But we're still putzing along. Now, here have been my problems with YouTube. My 8th graders and my second hour honors, videos 3 and 4 did not show that morning. I don't know what happened. I worked with it. I got them to show for the afternoon. So Tuesday was fine for my 4th and 5th hour. Weren't you lucky, 4th and 5th hour? So my 8th graders and my second hour need to watch 3 and 4 from Tuesday. Then Wednesday, for some reason, it showed video 1 to everyone, but video 2 and 3 did not show up. So I got a hold of Mr. Dickey. He's our iPad technician guy. He also teaches great classes, kids. And he helped me. So I have video 2 and 3 now showing. So you need to watch, if you're second or my 8th graders, 3 and 4 of Tuesday's videos and 2 and 3 of yesterday. Now, if you're my 4th and 5th hours, you need to watch 2 and 3 of yesterday. So I'd appreciate it if you would do that sometime today. Then Friday, I'll give you a little time to get caught up. So some of you are probably going to have to watch videos over the weekend to get caught up. Important information. Now today, I won't give any more homework. Any homework I gave on those videos will be due next Tuesday, so I'll give you time to catch up. Yesterday, the one video shouldn't have taken it all hours, so you should have had time to do other stuff. So I'm hoping you can be caught up by next Tuesday, if not sooner. So Tuesday's videos 3 and 4, my 8th graders and my second hour need to watch. And 2 and 3 from yesterday, everyone needs to watch. Oh my goodness, this technology is driving me nuts. So today, I want to talk about radians. There's different ways to measure an angle. We're used to degrees. We're just saying how far apart are the two rays. A radian, it's R-I-D-I-A-N, has to do with the circle. And that is the worst circle I possibly have ever drawn in my life. And what they did is when you draw an angle, it doesn't have to be on the Cartesian coordinate system, but the angle, they're talking about how much of the circle is... Oh, I bet that sounds good on tape. How much of the circle is being cut up by the rays of the angle. Wow, I think that made me sound a little better. Oh, how happy. Well, I think it did. So, if you remember your circumference of a circle, circumference is 2 pi r. So you take the radius and multiply by 2 pi to measure the full circumference of a circle. Well, what they did is they said, let's use a unit circle, meaning the radius is 1. So if the radius is 1, that means the full distance around the circle would be 2 pi. So distance around the circle, 2 pi. But wait a minute, how many degrees does it take to go around the full circle? And that is 360. So that's our conversion formula. In degrees, we say it's 360 all the way around. In radians, we say it's 2 pi. Now, I've been telling you for a while, that's why we like to use 1 for our R, to use the unit circle. But, anyways, So if 360 is 2 pi, that means 180 is pi. So that would be 180 is the same as pi. That's the formula we're going to use to convert from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Now, if you remember, I've been saying that 180 is about 3. Well, that's because of this. Pi is 3.14159. So 180 is about 3.14159. So that's why you always make your 180 about 3 times what you made your 1. Now, explaining all this took longer than I thought. So, I'm going to make another video that actually goes through converting from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. So, see you in a minute.